I shouldn't use that variable name. Act names equals. Uh, oh no, I'm like using it for the same purposes. So I guess that's actually fine. Uh, yeah, okay. That should be fine. I hope. Uh, oh, is that fine? We reset it at the start of the event. And yeah, I think that's mostly fine. One thing that oh no, yeah, no. I was gonna say one thing that I have to do here. Wait, yeah. Do I not do the truncation here? Like the truncation of the like those the action tags can only be like. Oh, whoa. How wide can those action tags be? Now that I think about it, I ever since I changed the font, like I actually don't. Oh yeah, no, right. No, I do that elsewhere. I do that elsewhere because it's right. It doesn't go by the number of characters anymore. It goes by like how wide the thing actually is. So I forget where I do that, but I do that. I must do that elsewhere. So actually, before I run the true version of the script, I'm just gonna test to make sure that this works. Uh, so let's activate away mode, and we'll get the C charts quest again. Hopefully, it'll actually have action tags. Maybe it won't. Yeah, because like the thing that I broke and fixed like didn't have anything to do with that really. Or like I didn't break anything, but the thing I fixed didn't have anything to do with it. So why are the action tags not showing up? Action tags. Oh, we're literally getting an action tags message that says like no action tags. Maybe maybe this actually has to do with. No, I was gonna say maybe it has to do with the text filtering that we did earlier, but like I don't see how that would be relevant. Um, excuse me. Um, what the heck? What the heck? Is uh oh, I wonder if I just broke quest loading. Yeah, maybe this is completely unrelated to all the stuff that I'm doing right now. Like what if next no, not you. What if next ev name was like just randomly any other? Like what if it was like betrayal? Uh because if it thinks it doesn't have action tags, then whoops, not delay events, activate event mode. If it thinks it doesn't have uh, actions, then it would think that it shouldn't have action tags. Wow, that's a crash. That's just a legit crash. Oh right, because it's not called one-off betrayal. It's called betrayal. So I'll just I don't know like pirate ship. Oh wait, that's not a one-off either. Uh, I'm so bad at this game. Rainstorm. I'm pretty sure that's the name of an event. Um, whoops. Uh, all right, activate away mode. Uh, nope. It's just C charts that's broken. Apparently. Would C charts still be broken if it was not uppercase? Is it the uppercaseness that's breaking C charts? I have to find out. Open. Why does it keep putting me in these stupid folders that no one cares about? Um, journey. Events. Binary. One-offs. Which one was it? Oh, C charts. Yeah. C charts. Is this what's causing the issue? Save that. So if I go to C charts now, is it still gonna do that bug? Let's find out. Oh, it still has the bug. That's interesting. So is it just the okay, so it probably has nothing to do with what I'm working on right now. Because what would it have to do with though? I don't know. Is it like just that the pirate ship doesn't have action tags? Because like the pirate ship is a special case regarding action tags. So what is another there's another pirate ship quest. Actually, let's look at no, we have like some prints that happen. Uh, but no, they're not very descriptive. I was like, we have some stuff that happens like when we're loading in quest text, but um, uh, let's print act lists here. Print name and act list. Just to see. So for one-offs, C charts. Where's C charts? C charts. Oh, this is in reverse order. Yeah, so it does know that there are those action tags. Okay. I'll be honest, I have no clue. I have no clue. um. So then, yeah, I was gonna try. Another pirate ship quest. So Sea Serpent. Let's see if this one has action tags. Um. Okay, the pirate ship just doesn't have action tags. Well, that's interesting. I know what's causing it, roughly. Like, I know... Wait, no. But this whole action tag spam thing, is that, Uh... No, wait, maybe I don't understand what's happening. And also, why is the call midtime button not working? Why is everything just, like, getting, like, not workful, like, right now, all of a sudden? Wait, no, so when I did one off, Rainstorm, were we still getting this action tag 0 business thing? Because that action tag 0 business thing doesn't make sense to me, actually. Um, so, yeah, I'm assuming that, well, I was thinking that the reason that so are we getting the, no, we're not getting the action tags empty thing. So why only for the pirate ship are we, maybe it's not only for the pirate ship. What other, so sea charts and Sea Serpent, were they like the same event type or something? And then it's like, uh, so Sea Serpent is event type 2, Sea Charts is event type 3, Rainstorm is event type 3, so no, there's no, I don't know. There's nothing really weird going on there. What? I mean, it must have something to do with action tags, right? Because, no, this must have to do with some of the changes that we made earlier today, because I didn't notice this bug at all until just recently. So, maybe it has been happening all day and I just didn't notice it, but like, no, this must have to do with event loading. I feel like that's like the only thing that, that could explain it. Um, yeah, so events, it has to have something, it must have something to do with the ad lib stuff that we put in earlier. Events index name dot adlib equal true. If the length of act list is greater than 2, oh, wait, greater than 2? Oh, wait, greater than 2, greater than 2, greater than 2. What? It should be greater than 1, right? Or greater than or equal to 2? I mean, I don't know why that would, I don't know why that would make a difference between, like, rainstorm and, oh! Okay. Because rainstorm has a fake option. Actant, yeah. Sea serpent and, sea charts do not have a fake option. The only reason that, yeah, this is supposed to be greater than or equal to 2, for one thing, but then also, not even really. Like, it's like, I guess actually, I guess this is mostly fine. Although technically, I think it should be actually like the length of act list uh, minus the length of the fake list. Technically, I don't know. Not that that matters, but okay. So this is all right. Sorry, that was just a dumb thing that was like throwing me off from like testing the thing that I was trying to test. But all right. So I can probably run the script now, and it'll probably be fine. I just want to make sure that uh, next ev. I just want to test that thing that I was trying to test. So next ev name. Let's make it C charts once more, and let's just test that it's uppercase and activate away mode. So this makes sure that the action tags are there and that they're uppercase, and then yeah, look at that, cool. All right, and so then it works. Oh wait, I forget today. I mean, oh yeah, no. So why does call midtime not work? That's a different thing altogether. Why is call midtime not working? I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But I won't hold up the restarting of the script. Okay, so make the script true again, and then we can run this. And what is that honking noise? Excuse me. Excuse me, this is just hilarious. What the... Is it just gonna keep doing this? I'm sorry, I can't have it doing this. Yeah, so I didn't, alright, sorry, so let's set original back to false, but let's, so the audio, so the run audio queue thing, we have to fix this real fast, because, like, what the crap is that garbage, stupid, dumb, garbage, stupid. Oh, else, it's not else, it's else if, NA message, not equal, blank. Because if it equals blank, then, yeah. So that only explains some of it, though. Oh, keep alive time. Oh, so then the other part, I guess, is that, well, part of the other part is that keep alive time is supposed to be time.time plus 120 to begin with. Actually, I'm going to start it as like 240 to begin with, just in case the data thread takes longer to start up for some reason. Or like yeah, that should be fine. So maybe if I had let it run long enough, it would have eventually like fixed itself. But I think I would have had to let it run for like a full minute. I probably actually stopped it like just before like the minute mark, but all right, let's see if this is better. So it should definitely get rid of like the honking noise, but it might still have the vwah, vwah, vwah. So I guess I should also oh, ooh. I'm gonna move this around a little bit. I'm gonna put the else if thing, or I'm gonna put that if conditional here, or that if statement here. I'm gonna put this as an else here. And then so this will be if actually no, I didn't really need to do that. Whatever. Okay. The the other thing I was going to do is right, so when we try this, we're also going to print NA message. So I think it'll only print if it actually works correctly. All right, so I set it to 240. 240 seconds is 4 minutes, right? So if 4 minutes from when I started it, it starts honking, then that's a bad sign. Or not honking, but the blah, blah. Hopefully it'll just work though. So if we don't hear honking soon, then I'll restart the script and we can play it for reals. So yeah, so we should start seeing like the life signs coming through now that we're printing the NA message, and also like the data, the just the general like audio effects that we want to be coming through. Okay, so good. So what else was happening, and like what else was stuff, and like oh yeah, so the action tags and stuff. Oh yeah, one other thing I wanted to test was I mean it's not important right now, but like one of the things that one of the other things I want to get working is like so yeah, so the uppercase like P W T F K or whatever, and then did I like finish testing this stuff? I think I got distracted by the other stuff. It's also no, it's still lowercase. Okay, so I still haven't figured that out, but I'll have to do that later, because it's not that, yeah, it's not that these action tags are broken. It's just that through the secret panel, they keep coming through as lowercase for some reason. I mean, like we see the text in full uppercase down here, but then for some reason up here, I don't know what that's about. I honestly don't know any reason why that would be happening. So, oh, well, no. It makes sense that the action tags would come out as lowercase, because they are lowercase to begin with. Alright, so, I'm not hearing any honking noises. I think it might have been 4 minutes. I'll give it a moment longer. But then, yeah, so the call midtime button, like, that's also weird that the call midtime thing's not working. So, let's look into that too. Alright, so, lowercase action tags through secrets panel and call mid time doing nothing. Uh, okay. Yeah, I assume that the honking noise or the bwomp bwomp. I'm assuming that that's not going to come back, so I'll run the script for real this time. Because that'll also allow me to test one other thing, which is whether chat GMs, if a chat GM's, I can test whether a chat GM's events are capitalized correctly or not. Excuse me. So, hail. What? Oh, am I not leader anymore? Oh, I think I banned myself, and that took away my leader privileges. So, right. uh, Oh, I do want to, the thing about the audio, queue getting deactivated when if original, then I do still want to do that. So if original, then we do this. Otherwise we don't. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna crown myself Excelsior, and hark. Sorry, this is just more testing purposes. So TPRYW GJ YPQ and now the action tags just aren't showing up again. Now what the crap? What the heck? What the of course the call mid-time button isn't working, so how do I end this event? Luck, I think. Is that not call mid-time? What the heck is happening to my life at this point? Alright, we're getting the life sign messages. That's good, I guess. The event started. I declared the event type. And what? Suffix command. If suffix command equals last word, etc., etc. Oh yeah, right. It's not square braces anymore. It's parentheses. Right? Yeah, there we go. All right. And then low. Then concluded. Okay. Sorry. So. Yeah, what just happened there? I'll try making the event less like test data-y. Hark, you find a really cool TRPWY, and it is, I don't know. I said slightly less test data-y. I'm just using sup. That's not gonna work either, is it? No, of course not. Why are there suddenly like a million problems with action tags? Like, I don't know. I don't feel like these I don't feel like these ones should I don't feel like these ones should have any new issues because like these aren't like loaded like I mean I guess like this would have to be an old issue like um actually so I'm gonna say no I was gonna say I'll try going to a different environment because like the pirate ship is a bad one for testing action tags because it's like a special case um but I doubt that changes anything like if I say go to forest then yeah of course that doesn't change anything so alright this is probably just something completely unrelated so I'll stop being GM and I'll let the game run like a normal thing. And alright, so I'll activate away mode too. Uh, uh, sorry, I should have let the previous event text clear before I put more event text on. But there we go. Okay, now it's okay. All right. um, excuse me. So yeah, what that? Okay, so let's. I mean, we're right here. So let's look at what the heck is going on here. Uh, oh, I'm probably doing like the same stupid thing again. Like I'm probably like with like the ad lib. I probably just made the conditional like wrong. Uh, if the length of axe unique is less than 2. Oh no, that's actually correct. Um, hmm. Oh, wait. Classic. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No, I broke this logic the other day. Um, right. Uh, we don't set. It's not automatically ad lib just because it's classic, or rather, said otherwise, like yeah. What? Oh, the data thread actually did crash. Okay. I was like, wow, that's so annoying. That new thing that we added in is not working correctly, but it actually is working correctly, and it's doing exactly what we wanted it to do. It's showing us that there's a crash here. So, all right, I'm gonna stop the script. Sorry about that. Um, right. So, if the length of axe unique is less than 2, yeah, we don't need this if supertype equals classic thing, because like we can just make this an else case. No, 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 no. Else you have supertype equals classic. That's how it goes. Okay, right, because we have to do this either whether it's adlib or not. Right. Okay. There's probably a better way to organize this, but I don't care. This is because this is satisfactory. All right. So what is this trying to tell us about? Um, list index out of range. Oh no. I was gonna say was there like profanity used? Um, no. What was Where are we right now? This is in process event. Um, what list index is out of range? Uh, I honestly don't know. Uh, I'm going to So before I figure that out, I'm gonna no, not there. I'm going to extend the timing on this because every 15 seconds was actually kind of annoying. So I'm gonna make it every 30 seconds because that should still be enough to be noticeable without getting completely annoying. Um, don't mind me just ripping out my earbuds forcefully. I hate those earbuds. No, sorry. Um, all right, so yeah, what the heck? There are a lot of indexes here, so it's not clear to me which one's going to be out of range. Um, influence list. Oh, you know what? I'm probably messing up the top list somewhere. I'm probably like one of those things that I changed. I probably like messed up how I'm populating the top list. Like, yeah, because like this is right after that thing that I changed. So, oh yeah, right. No, you know what I did is I never put in an else case here. So like, because the else case is just uh, else is just that right. There was no top list. Sorry. So top list or top list was just completely blank. So top list equals top list raw. Right. We only need to do all that other stuff in the case that other stuff. No, in the case that there are more than three items, and we have to actually do any sort of filtration. Um, that's not true. That's not true because that means that we're only filtering if there are more than three items on the list. So I kind of have to just like replicate this down here. Um, so no, we'll say it'll just be it'll just be this clean business. Uh, yeah, so we'll just say for li in top list raw if so it'll be this whole clean thing. Clean equals true for yeah, and then so top list dot append li. Okay, yeah, so it'll be like this. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So for li and top list raw, clean equals true. For wi and b words, worst if wi in li index 1, clean equals false. And then if clean, append. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's good. Good. Super good. Good forever. So I will restart the script. Look, we're already getting use out of that honking noise, that, or not the honking noise, but like the bwomp, bwomp. Like we only had it, it's only been working for like, or it's only been in there for like, that was literally the debut of it working and not itself being bugged, and it already came in useful, so great. Great. Top notch. Fantastico. Alright, so, let's run this again. Is it to reactivate it as the true version? Yeah. That's probably enough time. Took me a little while to figure that one out. Uh, so and yeah, let's mhm. I'll activate away mode so that way we can make up for lost time a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to. I should take out that cheat that always makes it see charts. Uh, uh, C charts. Yeah, let's. Now that that's all good and fixed. Oh, I should also. I should test the. I should test the the chat GM thing to make sure that that is fixed now. Did I fix that right? I assume I fixed that. Because it's pretty straightforward. Or did I not fix it? Hold on. Uh, did I not figure out what was wrong yet? Whoops, it's not hark in that direction. It's hark. I don't know, maybe I haven't fixed this one yet. um, no, I did. It was the classic thing. Yeah. Okay. Classic mistake. Oh, no. Sorry. Okay. So, uh, there was other stuff. Oh, the midtime button, right? Yeah. So, oh, and I haven't fixed the lowercase action tags, have I? Oh, yeah. No, I haven't even tested that yet because the ChatGM was broken in a different way. Yeah, I'm making great progress here, you guys. I'm making really great progress. So great. So great. Um, yeah. Yep. Yeah. So, um, I'll, um, I'll look into the midtime thing. Why is the call midtime button not working? Uh, uh, so that's in the create events section. Uh, create event. Excuse me. I did change the logic here. I made it so that first we check if not a init event. I don't know what that's about. If not a init event. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, that's just to make sure that there's no collision with the init event. Yeah, okay, so if not an event, so if event on equals 0, then that's when we're trying to make an event. Else if cur ev type equals classic, if event on equals 1, this is what should be evaluating. Oh, cur ev type. No, not type, super type. Derp. Yeah, if cur ev super type equals classic. Okay, so that's, yeah. Yep. Yeah. And I remembered it here. Elif supertype. Yeah. No, okay. So that's simple enough. Okay. Sorry, I'm like suppressing a sneeze right now. um. Yeah. So the lowercase action tags, not a big deal, but like, what the heck? Like, why? Why is that? Why is that happening? Uh. All right. So I do want to test this. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna choose Banto and just to get this event over because I can't my call midtime. Oh, my call midtime button wouldn't have worked, but my terminate event, my conclude event button wouldn't have worked either. So in order to get past this event and make myself the chat GM, I need to actually participate in the event. So I will crown myself. Hail, noble leader Binri. So this event should naturally conclude in just a moment, and then I can run that test. And I'm just gonna run the test relatively quickly, and then we can get back to the proper functioning of the script. Proper functioning of the script, which has not been happening. I think I have like a sore throat or something. It's just been like I've been like pounding water like crazy. I've finished this like this is like the I finished this twice today and I'm down to here again. So like I've been chugging water like crazy. But I just like I have that like feeling like on the sides of my throat that are like, and you can probably hear it a little bit in my voice too. But excuse me. So why is this event not ending? I guess it just takes a while to end. Uh, it did recognize my participation though, right? Oh, did it disqualify me because I'm GM? I wonder. No, it did recognize it at least at one point, and it does recognize that at least one person has participated in the event. I don't know why it's not. Maybe it's just taking its sweet time. Uh, or maybe I messed it up by declaring myself chat GM in the middle of the event. Maybe actually, now that I think about it, I might have accidentally, I might have, yeah. You know what? I think the event will never actually conclude because I made myself chat GM. Hold on, let me look into that. Um, GM name or GM active rather. Uh, yep. It's never going to conclude uh, because GM is active. So yeah, this should be uh, GM active and um, what's the other? Oh no. So no. So the parentheses are actually so not GM active and event on. Or no, event not on and not event on. Not GM active and not event on. So because it's all right. So hold on, wait. I can end the event because if as soon as I say alack, uh, oops, as soon as I say alack correctly, it yeah. Wait, it initiated a new event? Whoa. All right, so that's super broken, but I also just super fixed it, so there's that too. Um, that was weird. Oh, because it terminates the event when I leave. Ugh. All right. Right. So no, it's only supposed to it's only not supposed to process this if the it's basically if there's a GM active, it's not supposed to force an event. But if you oh no, wait, hold on. No, this isn't the right fix. Um, because this would make it so that the GM's events would get terminated prematurely, I think. How do I make it so that my events don't get terminated prematurely? Oh, not Curve Live. No, okay, so no, this is good. Yeah, right. Because the GM's events are live events, and so they won't get terminated prematurely. Okay, okay. I think this will work now. So once again, I just have to get past this event. I'm going to hide. I don't like sea serpents. I mean, I don't have anything against like. Yeah, that was harsh to me. I don't dislike sea serpents. I just that one scares me. That particular sea serpent because he's gnashing and wild. Um, um, all right, so this event is going to end eventually, and then I can declare myself GM, and then I can test that thing in order to test the other thing, in order to test the other thing, in order to test the other thing. Um, uh, I kind of want to go for a bike ride. I've been, I don't know. Every now and again, I go through this like phase where I'm like, I want to be healthy. I want to be like a good person who's like healthy and like it. I don't know. It's never lasted before, but like I do try and embrace it when it's here because I think that's how I stay like moderately healthy. Oh, I also still need. All right, well, whatever. While this event is is running, I'm gonna look online for Sorry. No, I'll do that later. I need to get glasses for when I ride my bike. I need to get like sunglasses without any tint to them because I just need something that I can like wear to keep the bugs out of my eyes, but that I can also wear like at night. Um, yeah. All right. What what is happening in the world right now? I guess a lot of things. I'm just so impatient. I'm like I can't. This event has to just end. It's ending in like 15 seconds, but like no, it has to end now. It has to end now. Sorry. Um. All right. Memory profile. That's like kind of chilling. How's our memory situation now? Python. Oh, I never bumped up the process priority, so I'll do that while I'm here. Wait, why are there two Pythons running? They're not actually two Pythons running. Ugh, which one's the real one? This one's not the real one, right? Yeah, no, this one can't be the real one. Stop this one. Good. Thank goodness I chose correctly. Okay. Uh, so, yay, we did it and stuff. And then, okay. So, crown binary. And then, right, so, hark, uh, PTRWY GJPYQ. Okay, so these also show up lowercase. So it's just like not working unless. No, that doesn't make sense. It's only working for. It's just only working for. Oh yeah, so I can. I'll say luck and or luckx, and then oh yeah, I keep forgetting it. I keep using square braces. It's actually it's not square braces, it's parentheses. And then low event concluded. Okay. Oh, sorry, Sogom. Beat you to it. You still get partial credit, right, for late participation. Do do do. Yeah. So let's oh, actually, yeah, you would have gotten participation. You would have gotten partial credit for late participation, but because the event ended with no participation, that actually didn't count. Sorry. Here, I'll activate away mode so that way you can have like a nice real event that actually like works, like real things and stuff. Uh, uh, let's let's look into why these action tags are not showing proper capitalization in either of those contexts. Let's do that, right? Um, I activated away mode and yet it's not going. That's weird. Whatever. Sometimes it does this. I still don't know why, but like sometimes it just takes a little while to kick in. But whatever. So we can yeah, it's like okay. So we're using the action names for this stuff. We're using well here, we're right at the place where we oh no, we went somewhere else. So yeah, but so like when we're at the like hark let's go back here. Yeah, so we do li lower. We say action names in index li low equals li. So li should be at full size, right? And this is just going for the action tags in Axe unique. It's like it's getting a. Oh, well, I think I know why it's happening for ChatGM, actually. Seriously? Oh, yeah, apparently so. What? What the heck? I mean, good thing I added that honking noise, because, like, apparently I'm, like, crashing like crazy now, but, like, what the heck? List indices must be integers, not list? For I in schedule? What the heck? For I in schedule? If schedule index I? What? That sentence makes no sense. For I in schedule, init away mode. If epilogue text. Oh, okay. What am I supposed to do here? For I in schedule, if I think it's just supposed to be I index one. Yeah, it's just supposed to be I index one. But I don't like that, so I'm gonna say for SI in schedule, if SI index one. Uh, I must have been having a very not smart moment. Excuse me, when I came up with this. Also, like, why did I make this an else if? Why not just make it a Why not just make it a an or statement? Uh, I'm a weird person. Um, yeah. Do do do. Wait a second. This doesn't even this logic doesn't even make sense. Window equals false for SI and schedule. Uh, Wait, no, this logic doesn't even make sense. Um, for SI and schedule, if SI index 1 equals say epilogue away, or SI index 1 equals say epilogue, break. Wait, this doesn't make any sense. Because we're just breaking at the first thing. We're we're breaking. We're always breaking on the first term. Uh. Oh, this is not impressive. So this is not impressive at all. What we're actually looking for here is to see if we're if we're between the so if window, what is it that we do? Yeah, if window we say epilogue text. Um, I think there's only like two events with epilogues, so like this bug has been here forever and it just hasn't come up until now. Um, right. So we're checking to see if we haven't said the epilogue text yet. Right. Okay. So that's all we're actually looking for here. So window equals false. Yeah, I'm a crazy person. It's just supposed to be if either of these things, then window equals true, and then we break. That's all it's supposed to say. That's all it was ever supposed to say. um, Clearly I was like in some sort of state when I wrote that. Okay. So my code is not that achy breaky. It's a little bit now and then. Now especially. I'm just having like a no, I don't usually hit this many bugs. But you know, bugs are just a part of the development process. Um, for us mere mortals, they're a part of the development process. All right, so I think the script has been down long enough that we can run it again. I kind of want to run that test case again at some point. I won't bother us with it now, which is to say I'll forget about it and then never actually do it. Oops, so I'm just gonna drag the graphics real quick, and then they're gonna look silly for a second. But there we go. Okay. Okay. So oh, sorry. Sogom asked, how many lines of code does my project have? And the answer to that is 5,656. That's a lot. That's a lot of lines of code, huh? I mean, last time I checked, we were at like 4,500, so... And I've actually trimmed a lot of stuff out since then, so... Huh. I just code a lot. I keep adding code. It just keeps piling up. No, that's not literally true, because I've spent... I'm actually really surprised that I have that many lines of code, because, I've been refactoring so much, like, literally for a while. I'm pretty sure I was actually shortening it instead of, like, growing it. But I guess I just grow it a lot too, so. Okay. Yeah, so I still haven't figured out the mystery of the lowercase action tags. Oh, did I restart the script too fast? It's not populating characters. Or does it just crash again? Oh no, it's false. Yeah, right, okay. Hoi. Hoi. Ahoy hoy. Alright, true. Save that. Now run the script, and now it'll actually be running in actual real life. And then now I activate away mode, and it will actually matter. And events will happen, and tons of good things will happen. Confetti will rain down from the sky, along with river serpents. What is that about, Denaxi? Was I seeming a little too arrogant there? Or did you decide to knock me down a peg for like no particular reason? Like, yeah, I mean it's just generally a true statement, but like, why bring that up now? Yeah, back in like the 90s, or was it the 90s, or was it even maybe it was before the 90s? Like business people who didn't understand how technology worked thought that like more lines of code necessarily was better, and so like they would like order like, we need 200,000 lines of code. We need It's just funny to think about. Uh, I'm so glad. Well, I was gonna say I'm so glad I've never had to deal with people like that, but I guess there's still people like that. They just make different silly requests instead, and I have worked with those people. All right, so the the thing about the lowercase action tags, I almost just don't care. I pretty almost really just don't care. Pretty almost. No, I think I actually figured it out for not for the secret panel, but for the chat GM at least. We're probably running the we're running the action search thing research. We're running it on source split index 1. We're not running it on top clean. We should be running it on top clean because source split is already lowercase. So of course it's going to replace what was this start index? Oh, okay. So right, so again, we'll just go with top clean. Oh. Yeah, no, you know what? I'm not going to use the start index. I'm not going to bother with the start index. Start index is fine. Yeah, no, it's tech with the start index. I will use source split for stuff. Wait, new ev dot intro equals source split. Wait a second. no, actually, no. This is ugh. No, that doesn't make any sense because this is like source split is a fresh split from top dot. No, wait, is top is lowercase. Top clean is uppercase. Right. Okay. No. No. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So we can just all we have to do here is just replace top here with top clean. Yes. And then the rest of that is fine. What's this T-split business? Uh, wait, is no, top clean is already split though, right? Top clean equals top case. Oh, top case. Okay, so right, I'm doing this redundantly because like I didn't used to do this, but then I had to do this for a reason, and so now I don't have to be doing it here. Okay, so um yeah, okay. Yeah, and so this does explain why it's happening for the chat GM. This explains part of why it's happening for the chat GM. Uh Black screen. Oh wait, it makes me a bad person not keeping track of my code length. All right, I'll keep that in mind. um, uh, all right, so yeah, how much of this can we get rid of? Like a lot of it, I think. I think I can basically just say yeah, I can just get rid of like all this. So new of intro equals. Oh, that's why I'm getting the start index. Yeah. Okay. So right. I guess I'll just So top clean does the source split thing. Um. So. Oh, but yeah, finding the position of Hark. That's the. Because I'm just trying to trim out Hark from it. Oh. So no, that's easy. I can just right. Okay, I can still use the lower half to find the position of the start index. But because yeah, so okay, so top so source split equals top dot split. I'm not doing source split like for other things yet. No, I guess not. Okay, so source split equals top split, which is going to be lowercase, and it's going to be split on the source div lower, which is basically the wait, top clean equals. Oh, okay. Yeah, and you know what? I can just index this at 1. Right, because that's like what we do here. And like, because like, I never actually used the first half of source split. Why did we just teleport? I don't know what that was about. I must have messed that up when I was like, when I did the thing about like, I must have messed something up when I did the thing about, the GM active thing. Because away mode is not on, but that event happened really fast. Uh, or maybe I'm just like time traveling, and like I'm not even realizing the speed of time and stuff. Also, why are there so few players in the game? Maybe I restarted the script too fast. Yeah, because it doesn't look like it added the player lists back into the game. The only people who are in the game right now are myself and the people who are talking in chat. So yeah, that's IRC for you. Sometimes it just doesn't repopulate your character list, which is great. My favorite. Thanks, IRC. Um, okay, so yeah, so I can still do the start index thing. The difference is that instead of using source split, I'm going to use top clean. Because these are wait, if the length of T split. wait, top clean, we split top clean. What is it that we're doing here, just top clean? If the length of T-split, what is T-split? T-split, yeah, if the length of T-split is greater than 4, top clean equals top clean. Oh, yeah, yeah. We just get rid of the colon at the start of the... Oh, we get rid of the colon at the start of the thing. Oh, so actually, no, yeah, so no, this start index... Oh, I'm a crazy person. I just do... I'm a crazy person. I just say, top clean dot lower. I can lower it temporarily. I can lowercase it temporarily. Lowercasing it temporarily is not going to ruin everything. So, okay. And now I can use top clean for this. Cripes, that was way more difficult than I was intending. But, I mean, the important part is that it should now work, I guess. Okay. That's the important part. Okay. So, yeah, I guess, the GM text showing up on screen must also have been lowercase. Because, like, it was just like, Pema, hey, how's it going? Uh, yeah, you guys will get along great. That was not a yes in answer to your question. That was just like that was just, yeah, I don't know. All right. So yeah, so okay, so that event ended, and then and so another event is gonna start too soon. I feel like, right? I don't know what I changed that would have messed that up, but I feel like that must have been something that I messed up. Do do do. Your wish is my command. Um, look, I'm just doing what was said. The last thing said in chat was just time me out, and hey, I'm doing exactly as was asked of me. I am nothing if not literal. I probably haven't re-upped the process priority for the script recently. Uh, so I'll do that real quick. Uh, so, um, all right. what what Okay, so hypothetically this fixed like the chat GM, although I'm skeptical that it actually did because like I don't know. It's like if it actually fixed it then then like why didn't it work for the secret panel in the first place? So, uh let's now see if we can fix it for the secret panel. Because it might be that like the chat GM was getting affected by two different bugs, or it might be that this other bug is only happening for the it might be that this is only happening for the secret panel now. So I don't know. We'll see. Uh, all right. So it hasn't started a new event. So maybe like I didn't mess anything up. Maybe I just hallucinated and it felt like time was moving faster than it actually was for some reason. I don't know. We'll see. So, uh, I'm like grimly fascinated by what's happening in chat right now, but I'm not going to get distracted by it. Um, what what could be the cause of like this whole and this is a rhetorical question, but what oh, are you like saying weird Unicode characters or something? I don't know. I'm not seeing anything weird showing up on my end. Okay. So where are we doing like dot lower? We got to get a grasp on our lower. No, again, we're doing what should be like hypothetically correct. We're adding the actions based on uh, the lowered, like the lowercase version of it, but we're adding the oh, no, we're not. We're indexing them incorrectly. We're supposed to be indexing them with lilo, which is why they were not showing up correctly. All right, so now this should work. Okay. Uh, so now if I make an event and it's like PWTYR and like GJPQY Excelsior. Yep, there we go. Capitalized. It was just a key error. Yeah. All right. That's key errors. Key errors are my forte. They are my specialty, whether I'd like to admit it or not. So, let's let's do what? Let's call that done for one thing. It just happened to be that there were two separate bugs that had very similar effect on If all your ASCII emotes are that good, Sogam, you can do as many of them as you want. Um, Although you will still get banned for if you spam. But I mean, like, yeah. Anyways, prescripted ad lib events, general outcomes. Yeah, I said I might get to that today. But then again, I was planning on doing like tons of other things today also. No, you know what I was gonna do was the progress visualizations on on-screen action tags. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna, before I forget, I'm gonna write a note to myself that I'm probably gonna do this with stars, just in case I forget sometime between now and when I finish this task. Um, Excuse me. Let's let's do what? You know, I could jump into this, but I actually I feel like this is actually a better stopping point than anything. So, alas, I believe my last active streamer for this evening will be to find another cool dev stream, and we can all go. No, I won't even say it. I was gonna say we can all go spam their chat with ASCII emotes, but don't don't be mean to people, or like, you know make sure you're following the law of the land, I guess. So huh, that's weird. I like checked out a channel and it seemed like they were playing an advertisement. I don't know. I'm not really familiar with that channel. Um, all right, so while I'm finding another channel that we can go be friends with and be polite with and stuff, um, I will say thank you to everyone for tuning in and for hanging out and hanging in there through a few of the bugs that we hit along the way. But I feel like we're well, yeah. I won't say it again, but like that. I think we're just in like a really good. I think we're just in a really good place on the project, in a lot of ways, and I I'm. It's like a new sort of excitement that I feel about the project. So I look forward to like some of the next stages of like what we're gonna be doing, and I hope to get some more good progress done. Sorry, it's taking me a little longer than usual to find a channel. There are a lot of channels online, but I'm like not sure which. I don't know. Some of them are a little like I don't know. We'll see. Uh, yeah. Okay. So if you're still hanging out, cool. Thanks for thanks for sticking around. Um, I guess if you departed already, I understand. Have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are, and I hope to see you again in the near future. Bye, guys. Bye. 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 Goodbye. I actually didn't even find another channel to host, so unless this one works out. Wait, no, that wasn't the one that I meant to click on. Unless this one works out, then you're probably just gonna see my stupid face. Maybe I should just go dark. Maybe let's go. Let's go. Nah, I'm just gonna kill it.